Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome to my channel. So today I got home and my FAB FIT FUN box was sitting there at my doorstep, and I'm so excited to share with you what I got for my summer box. I have a discount code. I'll put it down below. I used one when I first ordered and it saves you some money off your box. What I love about these boxes is that they come seasonally. So it's not every month, and they definitely have, like, they're worth their price. So I think it's $50 for the box, but you only get it once a season. So it's not every month. And then you can pick some of the items that you receive, but some of them are a surprise too. So you get a magazine that'll talk about all the products that are in it. Like a coupon for something, I don't know, discount. And then it's wrapped in tissue, which I love. All right. We got some cute stuff in here. Let me kind of show you what it looks like at first hand. Everything's always packaged super cute. All right. Oh my goodness, I loved this. This is the Dry Bar Detangler, and I've used this before and loved it. Loved it. My hair loved it too. I'm glad that's back. Okay, this is a Zoe Face and Body Ice Roller. You decrease your pore size, so I think you put this in the freezer for 4 more hours before use, and you roll it over your face or neck to see improvements. Woohoo, I've seen these, I've heard of these. So this is metal, then you do this. But if it's cold, it'll help tighten your skin. All right. I'm all about that. Oh, I love that. Okay, we'll see if I love it after I put it on my face and it's freezing cold, right? This is Hydropeptide Phytonutrient Facial Oil. So that sounds good. I love trying new products that I wouldn't normally try. You know, I'm all about green and healthy living, so I always check out the ingredients first before I use everything. But there's a lot of stuff in here too that's not like product based, like for your skin, but this looks really, really good. Let's smell it. Oh, it's oil. It smells really good. It smells very luxurious, if that's the right way to describe it. And I think on their website, if you like certain things, you can purchase it again. This is, ooh, coconut hand cream. Shea butter, macadamia seed oil, argan oil. I'm all about coconut. Let's put that on. That smells amazing. I got a little too much. I'll just keep going up my arm here. Oh, that smells like vacation. And I love that it's small enough I could throw it in my purse. So that'll be good. Okay, we got something super tiny, a roll-on fragrance oil. It's called Original from Venice, California, with a question mark on the top. I don't know. Let's see. I wonder if I'll be able to smell it. Oh, it's pretty. With all this coconut all over my hands. Maybe I'll do this side. Smells fresh. Very, very simple. Very, very pretty. Like it would work for anybody. I like that. Again, another great thing to travel with because it's so small. I like that. Okay. I see a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, we got a beauty blender, makeup drop. That's cool. Makeup sponge. And then I've got an Isaac Mizrahi ceramic decorative base. Let's see, the packaging looks really pretty. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. It's like a blush pink. Put like a flower in it. I love that for summer. That's really pretty. I'm gonna put that on my table with like probably a fake flower so it stays. Even though my garden is doing really well. And then this looks like it's a bag. This Dapper James Draper instead of Dapper. This is really in woven bags for summer. I'm really in style right now. Again, all this stuff would be great for vacation. I think this is the last item. This is not a flimsy bag. It feels very sturdy because it's lined. That's why. I adore this. Okay. So maybe whenever our Hawaii trip is back on, because everything with quarantine has been canceled, I would take this as like my purse Isn't that so pretty? It's not scratchy either, this woven material. It's really soft. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And it's big enough to hold. What a great summer bag. And I'll throw my hand cream in it and my perfume. And then my ice roller will go in the freezer. Anyway, this is what I got this month, and you can pick some of the stuff ahead of time. So I don't think I did pick anything this time because nothing looks familiar. I was surprised by everything, but I love it. And it's a fun way to do something for yourself, to pamper yourself, and to get some surprises you probably wouldn't normally purchase for yourself. Like, I don't know where a dry bar is because there isn't one near me, but I love this detangler. I think it's just super fun. Anyway, if you like these kinds of videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.